Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this review, I am taking a look at BTCUSD Grid EA for MT4. I'll be going through the MQL5 Marketplace page, breaking down what the developer has shared, and then reviewing how the system behaves during historical testing so we can better understand its overall structure. Starting here on the marketplace page, BTCUSD Grid EA is an MT4 expert advisor developed by Ahmad and Isnain Shofwan. This is positioned as a premium EA with a listed price of $3,963 or you can rent it monthly or quarterly depending on your preference. The current version shown is 3.2, updated on November 14th, 2024. Now, from the description, the EA is specifically designed for BTCUSD only. That already stands out because it is not a multi-pair system. Everything in its logic is optimized around Bitcoin's behavior, especially its volatility and fast price movements. Now, the core concept here is a structured grid trading system. The EA places trades at calculated intervals rather than randomly, and it builds positions as price moves. The developer explains that this isn't a simple averaging approach, all right, but a structured system that includes exposure control and adaptive margin handling. Okay. So one of the key points mentioned is the built-in risk management layer. This includes smart margin filtering, progressive lot sizing, and drawdown containment logic. These are designed to manage exposure while the grid system is active. The EA also comes with flexible parameters and the recommended time frame is M5. The minimum suggested capital is around $5,000 when using 0.01 lots, which already gives an idea that this system is intended for more capitalized trading environments rather than small accounts. Another important detail is that this EA runs on MetaTrader 4 and is compatible with most standard MT4 brokers. It's also offered as a one-time purchase without ongoing subscription fees. Now, moving into the features section, the grid logic here is not described as random. Instead, it builds positions based on structured price movement. The idea is that instead of predicting direction, the system reacts to Bitcoin's volatility by layering exposure in a controlled way. The risk management component plays a big role in how this EA is framed. All right, features like progressive lot sizing and drawdown containment suggest that position sizing and exposure adjustment are central to how the system behaves over time. The developer also mentions that the EA is designed for traders who understand floating drawdown as part of the strategy rather than something unexpected. That gives important context on how the grid structure is expected to behave during active trading periods. All right. So now moving into the back testing section, I'm going to focus on how the EA behaves historically rather than just looking at outcome numbers. Since this is a BTC USD focused grid system, I'm especially interested in how price movement interacts with the layering of positions over time. Okay, the recommended M5 time frame is also important here. So the testing context is usually centered around lower time frame volatility. Okay, so now let's just head over to our strategy tester and let's see how this BTC USD Grid EA performed on BTC USD over the past month. All right, so I'm just testing over the past month for want of time. Okay, so looking at the results over the past month, I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was actually negative 9,970.9. So the account almost got blown. Absolute drawdown 9,970.9, right? So this shows me that, well, it didn't meet expectations, right? So the total trades taken were 96, out of which 41 were profitable, giving us a 42.71% win rate. Now, the largest profit was just $67.98, but the largest loss was 893.45. The difference is much. Average profit 8.83, but average loss 187.87. The difference is significantly much. So this shows that the risk to reward ratio is extremely bad. Extremely bad, right? So let's just look at how the EA, looks like in action. I'm turning on the visuals and let's see. So as I review the chart activity, I want to see how trades are added as price moves, okay, how exposure builds during trending or volatile phases, and how the system manages recovery or continuation phases within the grid structure. Now, one thing that I always recommend is running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more complete picture of how the EA behaves across different market cycles. Now, grid systems in particular often behave very differently depending on volatility conditions and extended price trends. But looking at the overall historical testing performance, it is important to treat these as historical backtest results only. All right. Actual performance can vary significantly depending on lot size, capital allocation, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, and overall market environment. Okay. So, from a structural point of view, BTC USD Grid EA is built around managing Bitcoin volatility rather than avoiding it. And the system focuses on structured exposure, layered entries, and controlled risk mechanics within a grid framework. All right. So as always, I'll recommend testing and optimizing the EA yourself first, especially using the free version provided by the developer before considering any live trading application. So that way you can better understanding how it behaves under your own conditions and risk preferences. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.